Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here on the beautiful Norwegian Getaway. It is day 3 of my cruise. I got on board Saturday. It is now Monday morning. I'm heading downstairs to breakfast. I'm going to a place called Savor, which is very similar to the place I was at yesterday, which is called Taste. Both are kind of like sister restaurants, similar menus. I'm going to order something different today just for the sake of the videos. I think I'm going to have the French toast, but we'll play it by ear when I get there. It's going to be a busy day. We're pulling into Port Canaveral today, Port Canaveral, Florida. It's our first port, and I plan on spending the day portion in the afternoon at Kennedy Space Center, and I'm going to bring you a whole bunch of videos from there because space has been something that's always excited me, even as a child. So it's going to be my first visit there. I'm going to be like a kid in a candy store, I think, and I'm going to bring you all the videos. So before we do anything, let's go get breakfast at Savor. We have to head downstairs to deck 6. You ready? Let's get going. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who recently found Captain Morgan on my last Norwegian Cruise Line video, the upper decks of the Norwegian Getaway. She also found Clarice in my latest Atlantic City video, Bobby's Burgers at Harrah's Hotel and Casino. Congratulations, Deborah. And again, as with all the restaurants and lounges and bars on the ship, if you don't see a price, it's pretty much included in your ticket price. The only time you will see a price is when there's an extra charge, like for the Starbucks coffee. Want 2 glasses of orange juice for breakfast? Simply ask for it. Want a Bloody Mary instead? Just ask for it. Want 3 orders of bacon? Again, just ask for it. I ordered the cinnamon French toast, country hash browns. I'm not sure what country hash browns are, but I'm going to find out. Side of bacon, orange juice, and coffee.
And it's yummy, yummy. Good for your tummy.
Looks yummy. French toast is delicious. Kind of like caramelized on the outside. Really good. Bacon's good. It's a little limp, could be a little crispier, but it's really tasty and good. I eat bacon with my fingers. It's never really been an issue, but I seem to be attracting attention to myself here. I like my coffee black, strong and black, especially in the morning. I do have coffee sometimes in the evening, maybe while watching a movie or something, but no sugar, no cream. The only time I add something to my coffee is when I'm in New Orleans and I have cafe au lait, which is kind of like a half coffee, half cream mixture. But other than that, nothing fancy, just black, strong coffee. What about you guys? Do you enjoy coffee? Do you drink it black? Do you drink it with cream, sugar, or do you like one of those Starbucks fancy schmancy concoctions? Leave a comment below. I'm out here on deck 8. This area is called the Waterfront. It's actually a quarter of a mile around this ship. It's not broken up, so you can just walk the entire waterfront. Waterfront's cool in that a lot of the indoor restaurants have their outdoor dining. It's kind of like a two-sided thing. You can enter from the inside or from the outside. And a lot of the restaurants on deck 8 do serve outside as well, right here on the waterfront. Breakfast today was fantastic. I had a great time at Taste. I had that French toast. It was kind of like caramelized on the outside, but very soft on the inside. Really enjoyed it. The hash browns, again, I ordered country hash browns. I'm not sure what the difference is between hash browns and country hash browns. Maybe you guys can straighten me out in the comments below. Every time I order hash browns or country hash browns, I always get those round patty type hash browns, and I'm looking for the chopped up potatoes with the onions and the peppers. I thought that was country hash browns. That's what I ordered today, and I got those little hockey puck things, which are good, but I do prefer the other. And we're getting an announcement, so I'll be right back. That was the captain. Every once in a while they do announcements on the ship. You don't hear them in your room. You can if you want to, but you can turn it off in your room. And we're getting another announcement. I'll be right with you guys. Okay, I'm back. So obviously they make cruise announcements over the PA system every once in a while. Usually in the morning, the captain gets on, tells you a little bit about where we are at sea, what's going on at port. His announcement today just let us know that due to strong winds coming out of New York City, we're going to be late into Port Canaveral, about 40-45 minutes. I do have an excursion at the Kennedy Space Center, so that's at least a 5-hour tour. But it closes at 5 o'clock, so that means that when I get off the ship, if it's a little bit late, I'm only going to have about 3.5-4 hours there, so I'm going to have to make the most of my time. The second announcement was the cruise director, or the activities director. She's very good on this ship, and she's just letting us know what's going on the ship today. Because it is a port day, the ship should be pretty quiet. Everyone's getting off the ship. But those announcements are really helpful. They also give you something called the Freestyle newsletter. It's sent on your bed every morning while you're out at breakfast or whatever. Just letting you know all the restaurants, all the daily activities going on, parties, things like that. So that's what the cruise announcements were all about. In any event, getting back to my breakfast at Taste, The only thing left was the bacon, which was pretty good. Not as crispy as I like it, but it was chewy, and I do like chewy bacon. It was very smoky, which I like also. So breakfast was a hit today. I really enjoyed it. So far I had breakfast at Savor as well as Taste. Tomorrow I'm not sure where I'm having breakfast, but I'm going to certainly bring you guys along. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the New York channel if you haven't done it already. Thanks, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.